In the vast, infinite expanse of space, mysteries abound. One such enigma, nestled within the colossal gas giant Jupiter's orbit, is the fiery moon Io, riddled with volcanoes and bathed in intense radiation. Io has long intrigued scientists and sparked countless questions. Today we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets hidden within this celestial body, a journey that marks a monumental leap in our understanding of the universe. Our exploration begins in the late 20th century. In the year 1979, NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft made the first detailed observations of Io. Images sent back revealed a world unlike any other in our solar system. A moon with no craters, its surface constantly reshaped by intense volcanic activity. This initial encounter set the stage for future explorations and opened a new chapter in our quest to understand the universe. The turn of the millennium saw the arrival of the Galileo spacecraft at Jupiter. From 1995 to 2003, Galileo studied Jupiter and its moons. With a particular focus on Io, it observed hundreds of active volcanoes on the moon's surface, confirming Io as the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Yet despite these revelations, Io remained a tantalizing mystery, its true nature still obscured. Fast forward to today, 2024, and our understanding of Io is about to take a quantum leap. The NASA Europa Clipper mission, initially devised to study Jupiter's moon Europa, is now set to make detailed observations of Io. The spacecraft will brave the intense radiation belts of Jupiter to capture high-resolution images of Io's surface and study its volcanic activity. So what does all this mean? Why does Io matter? The significance of these explorations goes beyond mere scientific curiosity. Io's volcanism is driven by tidal heating, a result of the gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its other moons. Understanding this process could offer insights into how moons and planets heat up and cool down, impacting their potential to harbor life. Moreover, the intense radiation around Io could hold clues to understanding extreme environments and how life as we know it can adapt or even thrive. The implications are profound, potentially reshaping our understanding of where and how life might exist elsewhere in the universe. In the grand scheme of things, Io is but a small piece of the cosmic puzzle. Yet it is a piece that holds invaluable information, a key to unlocking secrets of the universe. As we continue to explore and discover, we are reminded of how much there is yet to learn and how each finding brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. And so the journey continues. The exploration of Io is not just a voyage into space, but a voyage into the unknown, a testament to human curiosity and our unending quest for knowledge. As we delve deeper into the secrets of Jupiter's fiery moon Io, we are bound to uncover more mysteries, more questions, and perhaps more answers. After all, in the realm of space exploration, every discovery is a stepping stone to the next.